Okay, so what we have here is a front loader for a company that the front loader went into D-rate. As you can see, it says soot level very high. So at this point, the tractor will not operate. It needs to have a regeneration with hydrogen done. As you can see, the soot load is 133%. Okay, we are completed the regen cycle with the hydrogen, and as you can see, soot level says low now. And as you can see right here with this device, soot level is 0. Again, you can only achieve these results with our hydrogen. We put a precise amount of hydrogen into the engine to get these results. Thanks.